Hi all! Today we are going to talk about cicadas. Cicadas are small noisy insects which live in temperate to tropical climates, where their large size and unique sound makes them well known. The noisy buzz they make is the male calling to the female using his vibrating pennies called tymbals, which are on his sides. When the female hears the buzz of the male, she searches for him. After they mate, the female will use her ovipositor to cut a line into the branch of a tree and lay her eggs there. Adult cicadas don't usually bite. They are usually green or black. Cicadas can also be eaten. It is eaten in countries like China. Cicadas spend most of their life underground, some species up to 17 years, and then emerge in large numbers. The advantage of this arrangement is that the predators are swamped by their numbers, and so most of them will survive. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.